So today we're gonna do a little scrap run. It's a good way to make some side money, but it's not a lot of money if you're just doing ferrous metal, which is just iron and steel. We have a bunch of scrap metal right here. We have a few things of cans, which is aluminum. You get less than in the bottle machines if you recycle aluminum through a scrapyard, but it's more convenient if you have a lot of it. And yeah, we're gonna get rid of all the scrap metal here, a few other pieces, and let you know how it goes, how much we make, and how much weight it is, and stuff like that. So yeah, we're just gonna fill up this pickup truck right here, the back of it with metal, and hopefully we'll make you know, 50 bucks or whatever it'll be. So just some of the stuff we have. We have some old beach chairs, which are steel, not aluminum. Fireplace grill, an old oil tank, some aluminum grates, aluminum cans over there, steel chair, or a steel stool. Bet some hipsters in Brooklyn would pay good money for that thing. We have a few old tools. There's some wood on there, but the wood weight's fairly insignificant. We have an old juicer food processor motor, which you could take the motor out and scrap separate. We're not gonna. We have one computer, which is e-waste, but we're just gonna throw it as scrap. Some old lighting racks, and just miscellaneous steel bits, some old brake pad stuff, just stuff like that. So nothing really that cool, but we already went on another scrap run another time. We made about 100 bucks, so yeah, not bad. We'll show it all in the truck when it's loaded up. You want to film me like throw it into the pile, whatever.
Okay.
That's probably not coaching. Apaixonar.
Hey, don't throw that. I want to keep the crate. Two minutes. Okay, be careful.
My back's at good pace.
Is that enough?
Now keep going till the end. Motor. Should we keep it?
It's up to you. Nah.
Nah. Cast irons. Shit, there's that drill hole.
Yeah.
So I'll be.
That's alright.
Alright. Sad dude.
Metal. Back to the earth.
What's that?
Back to the earth.
Back to the earth. Into another product. Into a toaster somewhere.
Yeah.
These Chinese made toasters. Are we keeping the chairs too? You have one.
Yeah, aluminum.
You'll see if we'll give us 30 aluminum.
Almost to the bottom.
Oh, we already threw the other one, so. Yeah?
Yeah, throw it out. Doesn't matter.
These are what, trans?
Yeah.
You want that wedge?
Yeah.
Good wedge. Heavy steel. Keep going, keep going. You stop it, alright?
No, it's still going.
Losing a few cents of aluminum here. Okay.
Oh, the crisis.
1 cent. What's that?
Universal joint. So what vehicle? I have no idea.
Some bits in here.
Yep. And that's it.
So we're gonna see what we can get for the rest of this stuff here. We have, I guess, power cords, extension cables. We have a little bit of lead, about 3 pounds of lead. Some old batteries, a bucket of copper fittings and couplings, and 2 pipes. I could probably sell this on eBay, but I don't think I'm gonna. It's a pipe threader. I'm just gonna get rid of it. And I could also probably lot these up and sell them on eBay, but I'm trying to make room in my garage and I could just get quick cash for it. So we have dirty aluminum here with these things, tent poles and chairs, a bunch of aluminum cans, some scrap wire like I said before, some lead, those are for balancing tires, and batteries. So we'll see what we get for everything. We're guessing we had about 1,000 pounds of light iron. We also had some cast, but we're just throwing it as light iron to get rid of it. And yeah, so that's it. It's all cleaned out, and we'll see what we get for the rest. And I'll show you the receipt at the end, and if I can film anything else, I'll show you that. So he found all this stuff on the this gentleman here. I won't get your face or anything. He found all this on the side of the railroad tracks for free. So, you know, there's stuff. There's stuff to be found out there if you look. If you know where to look, right?
Like all this stuff, it's heavy.
That's heavy. That's good cast iron. Good heavy iron.
Yeah, man.
You might be able to get cast through those thicker pieces rather than scrap iron, but
I don't know.
we threw all ours into the scrap. And this guy, all that turns into a big pile like that.
2 tons. 2 tons scrap metal.
Yeah, we should start a company, right?
Yeah.
2 brothers, 2 Johns. No,
Huh? Too tall. I got one.
I think it's cool. Yeah, so that's their cast part. There's radiators and thick pieces of metal over there. This is light iron. Stuff we threw like you see this right here, a brake pad or whatever. That would go as cast, but we just threw it in. got a cool load there. Alright, cool. Very cool. So, we'll see what we get for the rest of the stuff, and I'll let you know. We're gonna head over there now. Hey, good luck with the scrapping. See you around. Later. So after you weigh yourself coming in, and they figure out whatever your weight is, and then you go dump off all your metal, and they weigh you again, and they give you the difference for light iron. And you can go on the scale twice if you want to do cast metal and light iron separate. And also they have an aluminum pile, but that's pretty small. And yeah, they separate by the types of metal. So that's light iron, cast, aluminum, and in the back there you can't really see, they have scrap cars, and they take the catalytic converters out and all that and get extra money from that. And so we're just waiting to get on the scale here, and we're going to bring all of our non-ferrous metal in there and see what we can get. So yeah, the cool guy's in there today. I'm going to see if I can get a shot of the brass cat in there, because it's pretty dang cool. But yeah, I'll show you what we get when we get in there. So we're waiting for our time to get on the scale. So I think this guy, because he has, I think, light iron left, so I think he got rid of his cast.
Yes.
Goes on.
More than likely.
Then they measure him out.
I didn't see a green light, did you?
No.
He's gonna have to come back then. See, that's what he gets annoyed.
Yeah, now he's gonna get pissed off.
Alright.
We'll see.
He's not going.
So he says green light, get on.
Alright.
And then I think he'll give us the green again in a second, hopefully. And that means if they track your weight proper, and then we can go over there and get the other metal out. We'll see. Come on, light. I'm trying to figure out where he had that camera, remember? Where he was zooming in. Is it just on top of the shop?
I don't know.
Oh no, he's got it's right up there. There's the camera up there. So they can watch the whole yard from there. Guess he gave us the flash. We'll pull up, get rid of all that stuff in there. Grab one of these carts and bring it over. Yeah, I think we need to, especially for the cans. If you want to grab that one, I'll grab another. Well, this one rolls a lot better than that. Might want to get it another one. Yeah, whatever. So we're rolling these carts over. Start loading this stuff in. I'll show you the shots when I got it loaded. Here's what our carts look like all filled up. That's all aluminum and dirty aluminum. 2 dirty aluminum chairs, and our wire, lead, copper, and batteries. So see what we get. Bringing that into there. Hopefully we get a good amount out of that. We'll see. Not sure if you can see that backhoe just picked up that van, and yeah, this guy's way here. Hey, have a good one. You see that van get picked up? That was cool. That backhoe picked up that van. It was cool as hell.
I know,
I wish I had something like that. That thing's nice. He's crushing it over there. Okay. Yeah, I'm coming. Oh, he just crushed that van. That's so cool. Crushed it. Oh my god. Inside of the non-ferrous area, they got a bin full of copper. They keep all the cool stuff up there. That's just like cool brass shit that people brought in. Really, really cool. Old fire extinguishers, bronze statues, and they got cast aluminum rim, which is really cool. Stack of batteries, and over there they got a really cool cat, which I'll try to get. But yeah, that's non-ferrous stuff. Cool, solid bronze or brass cat. I think that thing's so cool. Solid. That thing's heavy. That cool statue there. Cool thing. That's so cool. Cool, like brass sculpture someone made. Welded all sorts of brass together. There's a little sword in here. A brass sword. That stuff's so cool. A solid bronze brass giraffe, some Buddhas and Indian figures, and the old fire extinguisher. It's so cool. They keep, it's all number 1 or 2 copper, and the brass stuff. So cool. They just keep all the cool stuff. I would too. Love to have that outside my house. So we got rid of all the metal. Now we're just waiting to get our cash out. So we'll see how much we get. We got all cashed out, and here's the money. And I'll show you the sheet. And we got a total of $94.27. So not bad for just some scrap laying around. And we'll get right into what we got. So here's what we got. $94.27. We had 720 pounds of light iron for $43. We had 6 pounds of lead wheel weights for 18 cents. That was a waste. Then we had number 1 copper, 24 pounds of that at $1.50 a pound, which is $37.20. Then we had ICW, which is the cords that we had. We had 11 pounds of that, or 10 pounds of that, and it was $3.50. Aluminum that's dirty, 18 pounds of that for $1.80. And aluminum mixed, 9 pounds of that for $1.89. So $94.27 was our total, and not bad for just some scrap. Get some quick cash. It's a good thing to do if you need to fall back on money and have some metal laying around. So let me know what you thought of the video. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next one.
Maybe a piece of chicken. Can you put a little chicken in there? Yeah, that's good. Thank you.
Oh,
Some
stuff looks
plantains.
so
Have you
delicious.
done that?